Hi everyone, in this episode of Erik's Graphics, I'm going to share with you my top 3 tips to start journaling visually. A few weeks ago I was interviewed live on Instagram. During the interview I showed one of my drawings to Sarah and who was interviewing me. And she said this: "I would love to draw like you. I'm starting to do dream journaling." I said, "No worries, I'll post a couple of videos on how to visualize your journal." So this video is me keeping up my word to the lovely Sarah. Hey, I'm Erik. I started Erik's Graphics because I want to visually build a creative world where people connect in meaning. If you haven't met before, I'm Erik, the host of Erik's Graphics. If you like this video, leave a like, feel free to comment or to ask a question. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell button next to the subscribe button to get notified of my new videos. So let's dive into the video. So the easiest way to start visualizing is actually to get creative with text. First up, frames. Start with getting acquainted with the different ways you can highlight text. A nice way I use a lot is to box text, and you can add attributes like drawn pins and drawn tape later. For instance, YOLO. Can box it in, then we add pins. Or another one. Carpe diem. Well, I added some tape. I have another video covering the techniques behind boxing and framing text. The link is in the description and you can click on the card. Second up, and I really like this one, is typography. You can play with typography when descriptive words are involved. I love playing with words like this because it merges drawing and words into one. A couple of examples. Hi. Or low. Explore. Shout. And can get really creative with that because you can add the shape of a megaphone. Cost. Transforming the S into a dollar sign. And then love, where you replace the O with a heart. Voila. The more you exaggerate, the better it looks. And then third up is using word clouds. Start using word clouds. You've seen these made digitally. The more a word is popping up, the bigger the word is represented in the word cloud. Well, it's also nice if you can jot down the feelings and words that pop into your mind and write them as big as you want. And fill a page with words in various sizes and you're going to have a beautiful visual of what you're experiencing. I'll just demonstrate it. If I think of the word dream, I can imagine one. Think of brother. and so forth. And what I tend to do is I'll highlight the words that really mean something to me. For instance, like dream, that had a big impression on you. I was also surprised to see my brother in my dream. And super important for me, in the dream there was food. And as you expand this, you're going to get a very nice visual. Fill a page with words in various sizes and you'll have a beautiful visual of what you're experiencing. Feel free to explore directions, colors, capitals, and lowercase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is of value to you. If you like this video, please leave a like and a comment. Feel free to share this video with your peers. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that little bell next to it. You'll get notified of my new videos I'm posting. So see you soon. Bye.